Do you want fix a Warhammer joining server? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step, we are going to the Steam, okay, here, and go to the section of library, okay. Here in the library we are going to the Warhammer, okay. Here you have a Warhammer, okay, the game, and go to the manage and properties, okay. Here in the properties, the first step, we are going to install files, okay, and go to the verify integrity of game files, okay. You click here and you verify the files of the game. Go to the general, okay, of the second step, and here in the launch options you put this, okay, dash dx11 or dash dx12, okay, and you solve the problem of joining server. Bye bye.